Today we got a couple of rooftops. Gonna be a chilly one today. Still debating. Should I take out my John Longs? Yeah, I'm definitely throwing on them John Longs. Frig on the phone with the company to give me rooftop access. The legs are frozen. Woo! Back and got my gloves, man. It's chilly. Second batch going up. Get that filter swap for a Chinese restaurant. Yeah, they're looking pretty greasy. Oh yeah. You guys in? Whew. Quite windy. Not too windy, but or else the filters would be blowing away on me. But yeah, she's cold. Checking the blower motor, making sure it's free. Belt, it's not worn down. It's pretty good. Size of the belt. Alright, job number 2. The filters on these guys. There you go. Unit number 4. Yeah, this one too. Sheesh. Oh. And then as always, be a good tech. Get rid of your shit. Here on call number 4. Guess my mobo opened up again there. Got a little bit of DNA on this. Door back on, check the belts.